Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Estonia. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Estonia is a Schengen country, okay? So if you want to apply for a tourist visa to Estonia, this comes under, like, for short-term tourism, it comes under type C. Now, in order to know the process, you need to select the official entity that covers your residential area, because based on your locality, I mean, based on your residential area, there could be additional steps, documents, fee, etc. So let's say you are an Indian citizen who live in India. So I have opened this Embassy of Estonia, New Delhi website. Here, they have consular and visa information link. Okay, so say as I said, it's part of Schengen up to 90 days. So let's go for general. Okay. All right. Some basic requirements are there now, but yeah, let's go here. So the process is like it has been outsourced to VFS. So you need to fill the form online, print, sign. Okay, and then you need to go with the required document checklist to VFS for processing. Okay, so and then you can apply over there, and if required, your biometrics will also be collected. Now we'll go for the field documents, and of course we'll go for the form. Passport, photo, okay, insurance up for 30,000 euro, fee, and finances 70 euros a day. Okay. About tourism, this is the checklist: valid passport, application form, one passport photograph, travel insurance, proof of accommodation, proof of transportation, proof of finances. Children have some additional. For student, copy of student college ID card, and okay, certificate of travel agency if you have booked through them. Okay, and name, signature. Okay, so this checklist should be submitted to. Okay, all right, and see BFS, they have logoed right over here. So now two things. First, we'll go through the application form. So it's available in these many languages. So visa type C is available in English, Estonian, and Russian. So I'm going in English. Your email address and put the code and go to the next page. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay, surname. To the second page. Oops. Surname and word former. First name. I'm putting sample. You do it as per your own case. Date of birth. Again, do it as per your own case. I'm just putting some sample. ID number, apply, place of birth. Now these things you should match with your passport. And any information that you enter here, make sure you match it 2 times, okay? Not just once, 2 times, and verify. Surname and birth, okay. So current nationality, nationality at birth if different. So I'll leave this in this case. Other nationality, India does not allow dual nationality. Civil status, marital status, you can say. I select single. Ordinary passport, most of people have that. Number of passport. issue date, are you a family member of an EU, uh, Estonia excluded, EEA or Switzerland citizen, spouse, child, grandchild, or dependent descendant? I select no. Profession, okay. We have so many here. What should I select? Let's say IT specialist. Current occupation, I'll just say IT. Employer or education establishment, New Delhi IT. Address country it has asked. Street. County region. Phone number. Oh, street. Member state of main destination. So I select Estonia. Other members, I'm leaving it, but if you have definitely provided. Member state of first entry. This is very important. Number of entry requested. Internet date of arrival. Let's say you're going in July 10 and coming out on 31st. Main purpose of stay, I said to tourism. Other purpose of stay. Uh, Additional information on purposes. So you can provide that. Place of stay. Private, I select hotel. Name of hotel. So I'll just select S. So Nia Hotel. If you don't find your address here, you can put manually also. Email address. If you have booked your hotel, definitely you have a, you know their email address. And of course, you know their phone number too. Yeah. Who's gonna pay? So I select applicant itself. And what are the things you have? I select. Wow, so many. Fingerprint collected for the purpose of applying for a Schengen visa before. I select no. Entry permit in the final country of destination where applicable. Do send country of origin or in the country of your current nationality. I select yes. Applicant home address. Okay. phone number, email address. Place of submitting the visa application. Okay, let's see what are the, oh, okay, here we have New Delhi. I mean, that's what you need to do as per your own case. Sample, guys. Page 13. So this is declaration. Okay. And definitely I'm not gonna do that. But once this is done, you have to download and sign. Okay. And the checklist we have already gone through. Now I'm going to this VFS website where we can see the further process. To identify the visa type, I'm going for short-term Schengen. Fee. So fee is 90 euro, fee in Indian. Of course, there are VFS charges and there's some value-added services too. So that you need to be careful. Okay. Documents and photo we have already gone. Processing and our form we have already gone. Okay. Same thing is here. After do your through that you need to book an appointment, go with the documents, okay, and then submit it. If required, your fingerprints will be taken, and then it goes into process. And if it is granted, you are all good. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.